Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a multiple of 3. Suppose SB the sample space of a die is thrown once. Okay. So, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, n of s is 6. Let E be the event of getting a number multiple of 3. So it is 3 and 6. So n of E is 2. Now probability of getting a number multiple of 3 is given by n of E upon n of S. That is 2 by 6. It means 1 by 3. So our correct option is option A.